Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will tell you that how you can take input from users. So let us create a variable for input and name it name. Name equals input and in the brackets I have to write a prompt. So I will type what's your name. Run our code and you can see it is asking us what's your name. And here I can type any name. Let's say Mike. After typing the name, you can see the process have finished. We can also work with this input. I can print I like you and I can type name. What this will do is it will type I like you and it will add the name. You can see I have added Mike and it says I like you Mike, or I can say hello Mike. What's your name? My name is Mike and hello Mike. To make it more complex, let us create another variable which is age. Age equals to input and in the brackets I will write the prompt which is what is your age. And after inputting the age, I want to print out that you are too young. Run our code to see what our code is doing. So, what is your name? My name is Mike. Hello, Mike. What is your age? Let's say my age is 12 and you are too young. So, that is the basics of taking input from a user. On the basis of taking input from user, let's create a Mad Libs game. So, firstly, I have to make a variable color, and in here I have to type input, and in the brackets I have to type in quotation marks type any color. Now let's move on to second variable which I will name noun, and I want a plural noun, so in the prompt of input I will type any plural noun. Our second variable is created. Now move on to third which I will name, let's say, verb. So verb equals input and in the brackets I will type any verb. All the variables are now created. Let's move on to print statements now. So firstly I have to print roses are, and now I have to add any color which a user will input. So I will type plus color variable and all of this should be in the parentheses. Our first print statement is complete. Let's complete the second one. In this I will type noun. It should not be in the quotation marks. Noun plus in quotation marks are cute. Let's say are dangerous. So let's move on to third print statement. In this print statement I will type print Noun plus in the quotation marks like to plus verb. Run our code and you can see they are saying type any color. Let's say green, and let's say cats likes to, let's say, play. And you can see here is written roses are green, cats are dangerous, and cats like to play. We have to add a space here. Run our code again. Type any color and I will type magenta, and plural noun I will say dogs. Type any verb, I will type read. So roses are magenta, dogs are dangerous, and dogs like to read. That's kind of funny. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.